Alright, let's walk through the simplest version of our online bank, our MVP flow. Imagine you are a brand new user. Think about the last time you opened an app. You don't care about the backend, you just want it to work. That's what we will recreate here. Onboard. First, you onboard. Sign up, get your profile created. Simple, clean, no fuss. But remember, in a bank, this is more than a form. This is the entry point into a regulated system. That's where KYC comes in later. Login. Next, you log in using your ID and password. No login, no banking. Security starts here. And in our flow, we will use Auth0 to handle it right. Accounts. Once you are in, the first thing you see are your accounts, your balances, the money you actually own. This is the heart of any bank. And you will see how accounts become the backbone of every transaction. Payments. From there, you can do the thing everyone expects: make payments, move money between your own accounts, send it to someone else, or even pay a bill. We'll build all three with safeguards like Idempotency baked in. Transactions. And finally, you want to see what happened. Every debit, every credit, every posting is right there in your history. This is transparency, and no bank is complete without it. So that's the heart of our MVP: clean end to end. Onboard, login, accounts, payments, and transactions. And here's the cool part: we are going to build every one of these flows in real code. So you can actually click through them just like a real bank. Now, if that's what a user sees on the outside, what's happening under the hood? Which services are powering each step? That's what we will look into at the next video, our domain driven services.